Okay, so here is the type of bolt I was using originally. It's 1/2 inch, kind of thick. So these new ones I think are like 3/8 or something. I don't think I really tested this crossbow fairly. I didn't really test it much, but in the intro to that video I just shot it at this piece of wood, not braced up against anything. So I actually have it braced up against that brick wall now. I'm gonna have like an actual like cool build coming out soon, and then I want to do some other cool stuff over spring break. So ready for that, I guess.